Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach the landing gear. This will be the front part of the landing gear, so the front wheel. You will just put the cable through here so that later you can connect it to the rest of the electronics. And then slide this into place. As you see, it goes in very easily, and then this part will go like that. Now in the book it says that you have 4 screws over there and 2 smaller screws. The smaller screws will go in here. Well, they're not really smaller, just shorter. And the 4 ones that are all the same, where you have the sort of the lead going from there to the middle, and then this part is all smooth, well, they go in here. And then so the threaded part, and then all you got to do is just screw them in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.